As per our sort of current LIDO DAO cost forecast, the worth of LIDO DAO will expanded by 208.44%, coming to $5.54 by end of 2025. Incredibly, all specialized pointers most certainly show that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the apprehension and avarice list by and large is perusing 26.30, and that implies intense trepidation. Our LIDO DAO gauge, it's hazardous to truly sell LIDO DAO at the present time. On September 17, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative feeling among LIDO DAO cost expectations in a very significant manner. See the specific LIDO DAO cost expectation underneath. You will know the amount LIDO DAO truly is worth in the next few long stretches of time, which is very huge. Throughout recent days, LIDO DAO in a real sense has really diminished by 7.42%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a fundamentally slight recuperation in the approaching month, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of September, the worth of LIDO DAO expanded by 112.54% and came to approach around $3.24 in a significant manner. As of now, all markers by and large are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and avarice record shows 26.30 intense feelings of dread, as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per our figure, this sort of isn't the ideal opportunity to sell LIDO DAO. Presently, LIDO DAO explicitly is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving commonly normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA essentially has shown a LIDO DAO selling sort of sign. The cost of LIDO DAO is as of now running underneath the 50-day extremely straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it in a real sense shows a sell kind of sign. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will especially hit $2.04 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, LIDO DAO's extremely momentary 50-day SMA shows a $1.68. The very relative strength list, RSI, force oscillator especially, is a famous marker that signals whether a digital currency is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is at present at or civilu in an unpretentious manner. This shows that the LDO market really is in a nonpartisan position. LIDO DAO value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, LIDO DAO came to $2.80, when it dipped under 97 cents interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, LIDO DAO is en route to passing the $3.34 mark before the current year is over, which is genuinely huge. Before $3.34, it might break its characteristic of $11 and reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers. LIDO DAO will break its past all-time high of $11 and hold somewhere in the range of $3 and $3.34 soon. At this point, on 17 September 2023, LIDO DAO is exchanging at $1.53, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 23.35 M, and it makes number 32 cash in the sort of entire crypto world. LIDO DAO value expectation 2024 there in every practical sense is plausible that LIDO DAO can explicitly get through the $3.97 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. In a real sense, the least LIDO DAO cost will be between $3.28 to $3.97, and the most probable LIDO DAO cost will basically be certainly consistent at around $3.67 toward the finish of 2024. Despite LIDO DAO's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its ecologically threatening energy utilization, tycoon adventure fundamentally entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecasts that LIDO DAO will generally reach $3.97 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. LIDO DAO value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that LDO will begin the year at $4.50 and exchange around $5.54, as indicated by their forecasts. This would be very high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin, or so they really thought. LIDO DAO Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that LIDO DAO 2026 value forecast will pretty twofold in cost, yet it is likewise sort of conceivable that it may not generally arrive at its normal, especially most extreme $6.94 level. LIDO DAO in every way that really matters is anticipated to basically arrive at an unsurpassed high of $6.82 or $6.94 in 2026, and it could especially be the extended period of LIDO DAO. LIDO DAO Value Forecast 2027. LIDO DAO Value Expectation, or LDO, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, LIDO DAO's cost basically is supposed to outperform $6.94 in 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. It has been anticipated that LIDO DAO will arrive at the greatest cost of $6.94, and the very least cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally be around $5.85 in the truly next a long time from 2027. LIDO DAO Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists say that LIDO DAO Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, LIDO DAO, is supposed to cross a value level of $7.90 in 2028. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the meantime, LIDO DAO is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $7.24 this year in an unpretentious manner. The most extreme cost might reach $8.39 in an unpretentious manner. LIDO DAO Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the LIDO DAO Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation anticipate that the expense of LIDO DAO will reach $11.24, and the cost of LDO ought to reach $11.24 before the year's over. What's more, LDO can reach up to $10.30 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will generally bring critical years for LIDO DAO development. LIDO DAO Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, LIDO DAO value forecast are supposed to explicitly cross the $15.28 in every practical sense, normal cost level, as per LIDO DAO estimate, and specialized examination in a significant manner. Toward the finish of 2030, LIDO DAO's truly least cost certainly is supposed to be $14.88. Furthermore, LDO can arrive at a most extreme value level of $15.86. Toward the finish of 2030, LIDO DAO will have a typical cost of $15.86, which is very critical. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift, which explicitly is very huge. LIDO DAO Value Forecast 2031. LIDO DAO cost is assessed to reach $20.98 by 2031, at least, with a typical